G'day, here's a parcel of Boulder Opal from central Queensland. It's low grade quality, reels and millimetres. It's been wetted. We'll just go in a bit closer. Okay, I've gone in a bit closer so you can get a better idea. There's not a heap of colour in this, and it's basically some of the flatter pieces you can use for tree bases or for little sculptures, which I've used in the past. Gives you a bit of an idea. And some of it's been glued or onto something. This yellow here is where the glue's been. It comes off pretty easily if you want to just grind it down a little bit more. Other pieces like that. Again, been priced reasonably low, so it reflects what it has. This is that nicer blue piece that was next to the rule. I don't want to go through that bit's not worth much, but it's basically just thrown in, and the price has been adjusted. This bit of Koroit colour bar going around here, but it's low grade. It's got honeycomb in it. And a bit of potch. Blue. There's a lot more pieces there to look at. It's all lower grade material. Good stuff to practice on if you wanted to practice on Boulder before you bought some gems to cut. But it is what it is. The price reflects that. I hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.